Hey, I'm Matt with Meat Church. Obviously not in my outdoor kitchen. I'm here at the Star cooking 500 pounds of crawfish for the Dallas Cowboys.
Let me see what they like. Huh?
Straight from our farm here in Louisiana. And then shipped to my good buddy Matt over at Meat Church.
Nice catch.
So we've got our Loco 90 quart rigs going here today. First, we got to season the water. You certainly don't need liquid and dry seasoning, but it's something I've always done, maybe because I'm in the seasoning business. I love a lot of flavor, so I love the citrus boil boosters. Gotta have garlic. Obviously, I loaded up with a lot of real garlic as well. I just cut the tip off. I'm gonna put in at least 4 big onions. Lots of citrus. One time I was shopping for a crawfish boil and a little old lady from Louisiana said, the more you put in, the easier it is to shell them. I don't know, but nobody's gonna be mad at more butter. All right, let's bring that to a boil. All right, you can see that we're boiling here. If you're using a Loco, one good feature, got a little trap door here. I'll boil my potatoes for 10 minutes before I drop in my crawfish. I'm gonna do about 5 pounds, so here's 3 pounds to start. Potatoes been boiling 10 minutes, so now it's in with the crawfish. Normally you need to purge your crawfish, but my buddy Justin already purged them for me. All right, once that comes back to a boil, I'm only gonna boil them for 3-4 minutes, but that's when I add in Brussels sprouts, mushrooms, andouille sausage, as much as that as you want. You need some stuff that's gonna soak up the heat. Cauliflower, big tip. I'm gonna drop this in now. And don't forget the corn. So this is a trick I learned from Dak's dad, Nathaniel. So it goes cabbage in at the end and it just kind of falls apart. It ends up being like sheets of cabbage in the crawfish boil. Nothing is hotter. He eats it with cornbread. I didn't make cornbread today, so we're gonna burn up today. Full of flavor, but super hot. All right, once it's boiled for about 4 minutes, I'm gonna kill the fire, let them sit for a few minutes.
You need some help out here, man?
Good to see you, dude. That's good, man.
What's up, man?
Thanks, see you in a minute.
Hey,
buddy.
Let me see what they like. Huh?
Don't look
Fresh out, fresh hot. Straight to the sausage. There you go. You pour him up. Yeah. Look at that. Just like that. Just like that. Just on time, man. Tell him, Big John. Eat all day. The sausage hit too.
And I messed it up.
Well, that was a ton of fun. It definitely was a challenge to cook 500 pounds for the Dallas Cowboys. If you know me, you know I cook crawfish a lot of different ways. I've been cooking crawfish longer than I've been cooking barbecue. Today we did the traditional one-pot method, where you bring everything to a boil for a few minutes. You try to cool the water off and let everything soak to get flavor. But I love the 2-pot method. I'll put a card up here for that recipe, but Dak Prescott and I did a 2-pot boil last year for Father's Day. That's where you boil the crawfish in clean water and then you put it in a 140-degree soak pot that is super flavored for as long as you want to really suck up the flavor. I think it's the best way to make crawfish. You won't overcook them, so you guys should check that out. But hey, if you like what we're doing, Please like and subscribe. We're always up to crazy outdoor cooking adventures. We'll see you guys next time.